Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to pop on and do a little unbox with you. Now I got these goodies from Journals for Life, and these are Catherine Pooler inks. There are 8 in each box, and this one is called Zen Garden, and this one is Paradise Found. And legit, the reason why I picked these two is the colors. I think there was 4 kits available when I ordered, and the colors were the most diverse. So, I'm digging this stone blue. I feel like 1,000 years ago I had peppermint scrub, and I don't know if I did, but I feel like I did. Anywho, I wanted to get a bunch of the little ones because when you are a subby to Journals for Life, you end up with so many good little stamps. And I want to just be able to pull out the little cuties. So I'm going to put that with my Journals for Life DT stuff. I like to have all my stuff for design teams together. I know, it's weird. But here is my March kit, and I believe it's called San Francisco. Very, very cute. Comes in this cute little pouchy dealio so that you can just put your goodies right back in it for travel, on the go, all that kind of stuff. So let's start with the TN because I always want to see what I'll be working with. I think it's really, really fun. So let me try to come in just a little bit. Okay, so got a 1982 vibe going on from the get-go. We've got kind of like imperfect watercolory looking little hearts and a nice rainbow. Very, very cute, really smooth cover on it. Then let's see. Okay, first one we have wonky dots. And I have this piece of paper down because I'm going to show you die cuts. So, yeah. Ooh, so this is like a woven wicker kind of thing. Nice grid, very easy to use. Color blocked out, nice, vibrant, like bright, bright colors. I love bright colors. A nice magenta. Cute rainbow, and these look like hand-drawn little stars. So cute. I love this one. Oh, looks like rainbowy, like glass rings or bottle rings. We start with stars in our eyes. How cute. All kinds of red hearts, and I like it that they look kind of imperfect. Very cool. Another good graph paper. I think I said grid. I would call that more of a graph paper. Same. There is magic in what you see. Really nice textured looking orange. Ooh, cute little waves together in a nice rainbow kind of a vibe, but I do like that it looks hand-drawn. Very cool. Oh, popsicles in very cool colors. Let's chill together. Really nice deep navy and kind of a dusty orange vibe. Oh, this one's fun. This reminds me of, what collection was it? It was by Coco Vanilla. Wood grain with like a bluey gray vibe. Really cool. It's that same pink we saw earlier. It's like this rosy magenta. Very cool. That's pretty awesome. It's a bricky red and a deep teal. Bit of a sky kind of a photorealistic. Nice groovy repeating pattern. And that is it, the end. So what else do we get? Let's see. I love seeing what we get. All right, let's look at the stamp. And the stamps come in these great little envelopes that are so great for storage when you're done using up the elements in your kits. So happy, shine, bright, cute little sunnies. Do what makes your soul happy, shine, be. The future is, gotta wear shades. So let's see, the future is, where's this so bright? Bright, you gotta wear shades. Let the sun, you are, so very, very cool, and a nice little sunburst. Then, let's see the washi. The washies are always quite generous. Be really cool if I did this ahead of time because then you wouldn't watch me have to open these things, but I'm a real-time kind of girl. It's true. I see houses, houses and houses. Come on, little guy. They're packaged very nicely, obviously. Okay, so let me find my end and then we'll take a look at them. So this is San Fran, so I'm assuming these are cool San Fran little houses. And assuming is always a dangerous word, but hey. If anybody had Mrs. Whitney in 7th grade, you would know that. Anywho, very, very cool houses. Love the pops of pink and that nice green. That is awesome. We have a really pretty package of sequins. Obviously, great color match for the kit, so I'll be making some kind of a shaker pocket and then using them as embellishments. Ooh, guys, look at the trim with all these deedle hoppers. Is it long enough? Oh, that's sticking out. That will be sticking out of my TN and being like, okay, never mind. Sorry. A cute little package. Guys, we have a cute little package. Come on, cute little package. I love these little packages. They're like little gifts. Guys, look at these. Would y'all look at them? Look at the little shades, little Ray-Bans. So we have little Ray-Bans. And then, oh, the stickers, we have, these are cool label stickers. And we've got cute little, oh, and they're super smooth, guys. Hearts. I mean, this is so like nostalgia, funky, cool. We've got little hearts, lips, to-go cup, and funky sunglasses. And then finally, we've got a big old bunch of, let's scooch this just a little bit, a big old bunch of die cuts, and I want to see them. I'm pretty excited about it. I've got to get my little thing that I put my goodies in so I can craft with them. All right, come on, coming out. Fulfill your destiny, little guys. Okay, I have a popsicle, super cute. Oh, I'm getting so excited about warmer weather scrapping. Little sunnies. I've got a cute little heart. Another red heart. I see another one down here, so let's try to get that one out. So hearts in a few sizes. Here's that to-go cup like we saw in the stickers. Another pair of the cute sunglasses like we saw in the stickers. Adorable speech bubble. Oh, look at the swan. How pretty. Although the swans around here get to be a little sassy. A tiger. Headphones. Ooh, another cool speech bubble. Here's one of the houses that we see in our washi. It's right there. Really awesome camera. Gym shoes. Another speech bubble. Let's chill together. Cute. Oh, is that a llama with really good eyelashes? Ooh, a heart in this nice blue indigo kind of vibe. A butterfly. I think we had one kind of like this recently, and it had some greenish tones, kind of like chartreuse. We've got a cute little rainbow. Ooh, another house. This is so good. Another rainbow. Mason, we're filming, buddy. Shush, shush. Indigo heart. Cute little bitten popsicle. Here's another one of those cute houses. That'll be such a cute spread. Ooh, a red heart. Rainbow and clouds. Adorable house. Little heart. Love. Little pink baseball cap. Water bottle. It's another blue heart. Headphones again. Camera in a really nice deep rose. Really pretty. Okay. Little red heart. Butterfly in a really deep pumpkin orange. Some lips. An Instax camera. And love this photo. So those are my goodies. My whole March Everyday Traveler's Notebook kit as well as some inks I just had to score. So if you guys would like to save a little money on your next order, put Shannon20 as your coupon code. Save a little money because it's one of my very favorite things to do. And I will see you guys ever so soon. Feel free to tag me when you guys are using your kits because I want to see what you come up with the same things. It's really, really fun. Okay, bye for now, friends.